Guys, una no see wetin happen for Umuahia today. Una no see wetin happen for Umuahia today. Anyways, if they see this, they don't put a traffic light for here. Look the other side too. They don't put traffic light like three. And they put for here. But guys, una no see wetin happen for Umuahia today. Just watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think in the comment section. Cause you get wetin I want show una for this video. You get wetin I want show una for this video. See another traffic light for there. So they won't do this road now where they see. They want to fix this road that you are actually seeing here. You understand? So just keep watching the video down to the end. I'm going to take you to the Aguiyi Ironsi the 6-lane road now. You understand? The thing I want to show you guys is around that side. So just watch this video. Kindly watch this video. Don't say that, oh, I've seen this road. No, there is something new I want to show you guys there. On this road I'm going to be flying through. You understand? So this is cooperative Umuahia. Yes. So I what I saw ahead of me, my brother, it shocked me. I never seen him before. So just keep watching this video because I'm dumbfounded. I don't even know what to say anymore. Just keep watching this video. So for those of us that don't know, this place is Umuahia. This is the capital of Abia State, and this is the 6-lane road that was commissioned some months ago by the able governor of the state. You understand? In the person of His Excellency Dr. Alex Ottiti, the executive governor of Abia State. So this is the road he did for Ndi Abia State, and Ndi Umuahia are really enjoying this road. But there's something else he did on this road that I'm going to show you guys. There is something else they did on this road of recent that I'm going to show you guys. So just keep watching. Don't say that I've watched this 6-lane road before. It's not about the road now. There is something I want to show you guys that is ahead. You understand? Niru. So let's just keep watching together as I take you guys to where I want to show you guys what I want to show you guys. Just keep watching. That's Umuahia this way. Umuahia are one of the safest places to live for the whole Nigeria. You understand? My brother, if you plan carry kala on this state, make on the up 10 people. No try cause since governor activate Operation Crush everywhere come kulele. No what I go show na plenty things for this video. Muna just they watch and they go. So guys, we are very close. Don't stop watching yet. Like I said, this is the Aguiyi Ironsi Boulevard. You understand? So it's a 6-lane road, but there's something they just did, beside this road. You understand? It's a new development. I want to show you guys. That's why I said you guys should just keep watching. You understand? This is not a clickbait. You understand? Or trying to make you guys to watch the video over nothing. Don't worry. Just keep watching. I go show now waiting I want show now. It go shock on now. The able governor of Abia State don dey construct so many roads since when he take office. You understand? For Abia, if you go Port Harcourt road, walk they go on there like this. So you understand? I get videos now upon waiting they stop for there. You understand? So if you check down for my channel, you go see them, and I still get some more I go post. No be only for Abia, they do roads for almost everywhere for the state. Now small now, I don't understand. Now small, it still they do Umuahia stroke Ozak or the stroke on Half-Year Road. That one I get update about that. I post them for my channel the other day. You understand? But no be the cocoa. No be waiting I want talk about. I want show now. Waiting go shocktalize on as it take shocktalize me too along this road. Just watch this video down to the end and tell me what you think for comment section. go see am, you go see am, we don pass am, see am, see am. That thing na bus stop. Since wey I come Umuahia since 2008, I never see bus stop like that for Umuahia. I never see before. This thing na first time wey I dey see am, and na our governor na him put am. You understand? So that people go fit dey there, dey wait for. Na bus stop, na no need explain wetin e be. I dey see am for Accra, I dey see am for other countries, but I no dey see am for my state. You understand? Umuahia. So e shock me as I see am. Na wetin make me do this video for now. Make una see wetin me I dey see for Abia state o. Make una see wetin we dey see for Umuahia o. And I hear say e put am for Aba too. For many places for Aba, where the governor is really trying to make Abia state make e follow like as in Mace follow. You understand? Thank you for watching this video, but watch this video down to the end also, and tell me what you think in the comment section. Please, if you haven't subscribed yet, click the subscribe button. Also click the like button. Help me and share this video. Click the notification bell above so that whenever I drop a new video, you'll be notified and you'll be among the first people to watch the video. Thanks again, and see you guys in the next video.